Hello everyone, and here is the revision plan for CMA Inter, both group students. And here we'll be doing 4 revisions before our exam. Okay, so the first revision will be of 7 days per subject, and the main focus will be on the completion of study material. So 3 subjects we'll do per week, and the other remaining subject we'll do simultaneously with those 3 subjects. Okay, so from 7th May to 13th May, paper 5. Let's say paper 5, and from 14th to 20th May, paper 6, from 21st to 27th, paper 7, and the paper 8 will be done from 7th to 27th May. And in group 2, 28th May to 3rd of June, paper 9, 4th June to 10th June, paper 10, 11 to 17 June, paper 11, and paper 12 will be done simultaneously with these 3 subjects, that is from 28th May to 17th of June. Now the second revision will be done 4 days per subject, and here the main focus will be on completion of workbook and past year papers. So from 18 to 21st June, paper 5, 22 to 25, paper 6, 26 to 29, paper 7, and paper 8 will be done simultaneously with these 3 subjects. And paper 8 will be done from 18th June to 29th of June. And in group 2, from 30th June to 3rd of July, paper 9, 4 to 7 July, paper 10, 8 to 11 July, paper 11, and paper 12 will be done simultaneously with these 3 subjects of group 2. So likewise we have completed here our second revision also. Now the third revision will be of 1 day per subject, and here the main focus will be on solving mock test papers of ICMI. So from 12th July to 19th of July, we'll solve mock test paper, and the sequence will be exact opposite of the examination sequence, so that the last paper will be our first exam. Okay, for example, our first paper is on 20th July, and that is of financial accounts. So we'll solve financial accounts mock test paper at the last, that is on 19th July. So likewise we'll solve here mock test papers 1 day per subject from 12 to 19 of July. On 12th, company accounts and audit, 13 cost account, 14 indirect taxation, 15 direct taxation, 16 cost and FM, 17 law, 18 OMSM, and 19 July financial accounting. Now our fourth revision will be of half day per subject, and this will be mainly from self-made notes, and this is the revision of day before exam. Okay, now here are some of the points to keep in mind. The very first one is meditate for 15 minutes every day for increased concentration, and take adequate sleep, and work out at least 30 minutes daily, and minimize the use of social media, and please don't procrastinate for studying. So this is it. Study well and